Meaning of endogenous.
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 Endogenous. The term endogenous refers to something that originates from within an organism or system, rather than being brought in from the outside. In the context of biology, it typically refers to substances or processes that are produced by the body itself. Endogenous factors can play a significant role in regulating various aspects of physiological function, such as hormone levels, immune responses, and metabolic processes. Understanding the role of endogenous factors is important for developing effective treatments for a wide range of health conditions, including autoimmune disorders, diabetes, and cancer.